Okay, hai semua. Buka mic. Yang dah masuk buka mic. Farhana buka mic, Ika buka mic. Siapa ni? Ika Adriana. Syazwan buka mic. Okay. So saya nak start dah. Boleh saya start? Okay, hi everyone. So today we are going to learn how to solve stoichiometry numerical problems. Okay. So apa yang pentingnya stoichiometry ni? So stoichiometry, okay, it actually helps us to determine in order for certain product to be produced, how many grams of reactant are needed. Okay, ataupun boleh jadi instead of mass, kita perlukan berapa banyak volume untuk buat sesuatu reaction tu. So ini yang kita nak belajar hari ni. And kejap Okay, so in stoichiometry problems, it can actually be divided into two. That is mass to mass calculation as well as mass to volume calculation. Tapi hari ni, I'm going to show to you guys on the mass to mass calculation first. Okay, so make sure you have your textbook, calculator, paper and your stationaries, okay, because we are going to do some calculation. So first, as you can see on the screen, okay, I have one example that is 4 mole of aluminium react with 3 mole oxygen gas to produce 2 mole of aluminium oxide. And the question asks us, what is the mass of aluminium oxide produced if 5.4 gram of aluminium is burned completely? Okay, so from the question, you know that it already gives us the mass of aluminium. Okay, ni yang 5.4 gram ni. And it also asks us to find what is the mass of aluminium oxide. So dari sini kita tahu yang ini adalah mass to mass calculation. Kenapa? Sebab soalan bagi you maklumat dalam bentuk berat, iaitu mass lah kan. And this also suruh cari you cari mass. So mass dengan mass kan. Sebab tu saya kata mass to mass calculation untuk soalan ni. Whenever you get mass to mass calculation kind of question, okay, you have to do 4 steps. Wajib ada 4 steps. Okay, and these are the 4 steps yang saya dah simplified kan. Okay, first you have to know the grams of the given. Given ni maksudnya adalah the information given in the question. So for this question, okay, the given is the mass of aluminium. Nampak ni? yang 5.4 gram ni, ini adalah you punya given. Okay. And then you have to use the information to find the number of mole. Then you have to compare the mole from chemical equation dengan the new mole, okay, untuk dapatkan mole of the unknown. Unknown ni dia adalah benda yang soalan minta. In this case, soalan minta aluminium oxide. So, aluminium tu adalah our unknown. Okay. Then, baru you boleh proceed to find the grams of the unknown. Tak apa, mari saya tunjuk macam mana kita nak buat. Okay. So, first, tulis dulu. Okay, write dulu what is your given. So, you punya given is aluminium. Okay. And your unknown is aluminium oxide. That is Al2O3. Okay. So, first, step 1. Yang ni. Grams of given. So, given kita adalah Al. So, the mass for Al is 5.4 gram. Mana dapat? Ni 5.4 gram. So, now the second step is we have to find the number of moles for the aluminium. Ingat formula for number of mole. Okay, if we have mass, so the formula would be mass over molar mass. So now, mass kita dah ada. That is 5.4 gram. And the molar mass for aluminium is, tengok dekat buku teks tu, berapa? Okay, it is 27 gram per mole. Okay, nampak? Then, you kira, you akan dapat 0.2 mole. Kenapa mole sahaja unit dia? Kita ni potong 4 gram dengan gram, kita boleh potong. So, sekarang you akan dapat 0.2 mole sahaja. Now, the third step is we would like to find the number of moles for the unknown. Okay. Untuk step yang ketiga ni, you have to compare the mole from the given chemical equation. Okay, yang ni. And the moles from step 2. This one. So, from the equation, okay, yang ni. 4Al ni, okay. We know that we have 4 mole of aluminium. Okay. Then the ratio is 2 mole of Al2O3. Okay, mana datang 4 ni? Mungkin tak tahu ni, nampak ni. 4 kat depan ni. 2 untuk Al2O3. This one. Okay, ambil coefficient sahaja. Do not include the subscript. Nombor yang kecil kat bawah ni. Tak payah kacau yang tu. Okay, and then take the information from the second step. That is 0.2 mole of Al. Then ratio. Now, since we would like to find the moles for the unknown, okay, so kita denote depan ni as X. X Al2O3. Okay. Sampai sini ada soalan? Tak ada Okay. So sampai sini what you have to do is cross multiply. Okay. Macam ni. So when you cross multiply, you will get 4 times x equals to 2 times 0.2. So sini you will have for x equals to 2 darab 0.2 berapa? 0.4. Okay. And then XU will be 0.1 mole. Now, kita dah ada the mole for Al2O3. Boleh tak kita cari mass for Al2O3? Boleh kan? So you will use formula N equals to mass over molar mass. So nanti bila you kira, you will get 0.2 gram. Faham? Ada soalan? Boleh tak semua buka mic? Saya tak tahu awak faham ke tak. Okay, Ika buka mic. Alia Kristina. Azril.
Cikgu.
Ya, saya.
Boleh tak explain dari mula?
Explain yang mula?
Okay.
Okay. Baru masuk kan? Okay. Tak apa. Okay. So, today we are going to learn about mass to mass calculation. Okay. So, macam mana you nak tahu soalan tu adalah mass to mass calculation? So, you tengok dekat soalan. Okay, macam yang saya ada dekat whiteboard ni. Okay, the question asks us, what is the mass of aluminium oxide produced if 5.4 gram of aluminium is burned completely in air? So, soalan bagi you maklumat dalam bentuk mass. And it also asks us to find mass for aluminium oxide. Tukar mass dengan mass. So, kita ada mass to mass calculation kind of question. So, whenever you have mass to mass kind of question, there are 4 steps that you have to do. First, you need to find grams of given. Given ni adalah benda yang maklumat dah dibagi tahu dalam soalan. Okay, as for this question, our given is aluminium. Kenapa aluminium? Sebab soalan dah bagi kita 5.4 gram of aluminium. Okay, so nampak ni kat sini first step Zarif, mass untuk aluminium adalah 5.4 gram. Okay. So now, using the mass given, you have to find the number of mole for aluminium. Macam mana you nak cari number of mole? Kalau ada mass, you guna formula mass over molar mass. Yes, pandai. So, you masukkanlah. Your mass is 5.4 gram. And the molar mass for aluminium is 27 gram per mole. Mana dapat 27 ni? daripada periodic table.
Oh,
Kan? Yang atomic weight tu. So, you tekan calculator, you akan dapat 0.2 mole of aluminium. Okay, Zarif?
Okay.
Okay. And then, step 3 adalah untuk cari number of mole for unknown. Unknown kita adalah Al2O3. Sebab ini yang soalan suruh kita cari, kan? Okay. So, untuk step 3 ni, you have to compare information from the given chemical equation. Okay, yang ni. So, you compare dengan jawapan dekat step nombor 2. So, from equation, you tahu you ada 4 moles of aluminium. And then, it produces 2 moles of Al2O3. Nampak, Zarif?
Nampak.
Okay. So, daripada second step, we now have 0.2 mole of aluminium. Okay. So, bila kita dah ada 0.2 mole of aluminium, of course lah number of mole tak sama kan untuk Al2O3. So, kita nak cari number of mole for Al2O3. So, kita letak je X dekat depan. Okay. So, dah letak X, you cross multiply. So, you akan dapat 4 darab dengan X ni. And then 0.2 times with 2. Okay. So, you kira you will get your X is 0.1 mole of Al2O3. Okay. So, you dah ada number mole, you boleh cari mass tak?
Boleh.
Boleh kan? So, you masuk dalam the formula. Then, you will get 0.2 gram of Al2O3. Faham?
Faham.
Okay, yang lain ada soalan? Yang lain tak ada soalan Okay. If you don't have any question, let me give you question. Okay. Okay. Cuba you try buat soalan ni. Semua orang buka mikrofon. Okay, buka mikrofon. Najah, Nurdini, Adriana, Riz. Okay, try buat soalan yang dekat whiteboard ni. First step you apa?
Cari molar mass.
Molar mass.
Cari molar mass iron. Iron ke?
Cari number of moles Zarif, bukan molar mass.
Oh ya.
Yelah. So you punya unknown apa dalam soalan ni? Unknown adalah the one yang soalan suruh kita cari.
Mass of iron oxide.
Yes, so iron oxide will be our unknown. So kita punya known apa?
with apa mass of iron.
Yes, so iron is our known. So first we have to determine the mass of iron. What is the mass of iron?
5.6 gram.
Yes, 5.6 gram. Okay, and then you have to
Jadi number of mole
yes,
ah
number
na,
of mole.
number of
Pandai.
mole.
So number of mole. Formula you apa?
And m over mass over molar mass.
Yes, mass over molar mass. Pandai. So what is your mass?
5.6.
5.6 gram. Your molar mass for Fe is
Um,
selak buku teks tu. Jumpa tak?
kat mana ke?
Molar mass dekat muka surat, dekat periodic table tu. Page 275. Okay, the molar mass is 56 gram per mole.
56.
Okay. So now, what is your number of mole? 56, 5.6 divide by 56, berapa?
Hmm,
0.1 mole. Betul? So now the third step, you have to find the mole for unknown. Macam mana nak cari mole for unknown?
mole for unknown. Kena susun kena susun the chemical equation.
Yes, kita kena compare from the chemical equation. So, tengok. From the equation, we know we have
Uh,
2 mole of Fe. Betul?
betul.
And then mole for Fe2O3 adalah 1 Fe2O3. Betul? So dia
Betul.
panggil 1. Kita tak tulis 1. Okay. So now the new mole for Fe is 0.1. Ni, kita ambil daripada sini. Step 2. So we would like to find number of mole for X, Fe2O3.
X.
Okay?
Hmm.
So ni you akan dapat berapa? You have to cross multiply. You will get
2x over 0.1. 2x. 2x equals to 0.1.
2x equals to 0.1. So your X will be
0.1 over 2.
Yeah, so you will get 0.05 mole of Fe2O3. Okay? So you dah ada number of mole. Can you proceed with finding the mass of the iron free oxide? Boleh tak?
Boleh.
Boleh. So what are the formula?
Uh, eh, mass over molar mass.
Yes, mass over molar mass. So what is your N?
0.5. 0.05.
0.05 mole.
0.05.
Okay, so you would like to find the mass. So molar mass, apa dia molar mass? Untuk Fe adalah 2 times with 56. Okay, plus with 3 times 16. Okay, so you will get your mass is kira Farhana, berapa jawapan awak? Dapat kira?
Dapat
Okay, berapa?
8.
Yes, the answer is 8 grams of Fe2O3. Okay, faham?
Faham.
Ada soalan? Betul faham Zarif?
Faham.
Okay, so
Cikgu,
korang faham?
cikgu. Alif dia nak masuk tapi cikgu dia cakap cikgu tak accept lagi.
Alif nak masuk? Ada pun?
Tak ada.
Okay, ada soalan?
Tak ada.
Okay, tak ada. So if you don't have any question, let's try one last example. Okay, try this question. Dah siap?
Belum.
Yang lain dah siap? Najah, Akif, Dini, Azril, Altaf.
Cikgu bila nak compare the chemical equation tu,
Aha.
kena compare sekali dengan O2 juga.
Tak payah. We compare the
Magnesium
one
je.
yes, magnesium dengan magnesium oxide tu saja.
Okay.
Benda yang tak dimention dalam soalan tak payah compare kan.
Lepas tu yang last tu, yang nak cari mol tu,
Aha.
dia kena pakai molar mass magnesium ke? Oh, magnesium tak plus oksigen.
Yes, sebab kita cari mass untuk apa ni, dia unknown kan. So unknown kita adalah magnesium oxide, betul tak? So that is why we use the molar mass for magnesium oxide.
Okay. Jawapan dia 6.72 cikgu.
Yes, betul. 6.72. Okay. Saya explain macam mana boleh dapat 6.72. Okay. So the question gives us 3.84 gram of magnesium. So kita tahu dekat sini our known is magnesium. Sebab the question gives us the mass. And then it asks us to find the mass of magnesium oxide produced. Since we have to find the magnesium oxide punya mass, now we know that our unknown is magnesium oxide. So, first step, you tulis dulu the mass of the known product, mass of the known. Sorry. So, the mass for known, that is mg, okay, it is 3.84 gram. Okay ni, daripada soalan tu. Then, second step is find the number of mole for magnesium. So the formula is N equals to mass over molar mass. Okay. Mass U is 3.84 gram. Divide by molar mass for magnesium, that is 24 gram per mole. Okay. Gram dengan gram boleh potong. So, you akan dapat 0.16 mole. Okay. So, the third step is to find the mole for the unknown. That is magnesium oxide. To find the mole for the unknown, you have to compare the mole from the given chemical equation and the one from step 2. So from the chemical equation, we know that we have 2 mole of magnesium, okay, and the ratio is 2 mole of magnesium oxide. From the second step, we know that we have 0.16 mole of magnesium. So now we would like to find the mole for magnesium oxide. Cross je dekat sini. Okay. So you will get 2 darab dengan X, you will get 2X. Then 2 times with 0.16, you will get 0.32. Ni pindah sini, dia akan jadi bahagi. So you will get 0.16 mole of magnesium oxide. The last step is we have to find the mass. Okay. So guna balik formula yang sama, N equals to mass over molar mass. NU ni 0.16 mole equals to mass sebab kita nak cari molar mass. Magnesium punya molar mass adalah berapa? 24 plus 60. Okay, molar mass for oxygen. So now you will get, okay, mana saya nak sambung ni? Mass U equals to 6.72 gram. Okay. Unit jangan tinggal. Ni gram. Jangan tinggal. Okay. Kalau tinggal potong markah. Faham? Ada soalan?
Tak ada.
Betul tak ada?
Betul.
Okay, ingat untuk third step yang you nak compare, you compare chemicals yang hanya disebut dalam soalan. So dalam soalan, dia hanya mention magnesium dengan magnesium oxide sahaja. So you have to compare between the two je. Oksigen yang dekat tengah ni tak payah sebab dia tak sebut pun dalam soalan. Faham?
Faham.
Okay. Ada soalan yang lain? Tak ada Zarif ada soalan?
Tak ada.
Tak ada?
Tak ada.
So kalau tak ada, ingat saya highlight balik. So whenever you have mass to mass calculation kind of question, okay, there are 4 steps yang you kena include. Sekejap, saya tunjuk balik. Okay, these are the 4 steps. Okay, and then unit jangan lupa. Okay, unit tu wajib. Dekat each part of the calculation, you have to include the unit. Okay?
Okay.
So, ada soalan? Tak ada?
Tak ada.
Tak ada
Tak ada.
So, kalau tak ada soalan, kita dismiss class. I will forward you the exercise. Okay? So, that's all. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.